Welcome to this Identity Access video tutorial on time zones. In this video, we will show you how to create a time zone and how to apply it to a group in your access control system. This will restrict the access to the users within the group to specified times. For this demonstration, we will show you how to create a user access time zone for our main entrance door. This will restrict access to between Monday and Friday from 9 AM to 5 PM. After 5 PM and before 9 AM, the users will be denied access. From the Identity Access User interface, select Management and click on Time Zones. Click on the green plus to add a time zone and give it a name. Select the days required, which in this example are Monday to Friday, and select the times between 9 AM and 5 PM. It is possible to have 3 different time slots in a single time zone, but note that when setting up a time zone for use with Sigma series biometric readers, this is limited to 2. Click Accept to save the changes. Next, we will edit the group which requires restricted access. Choose Time Zones from the left-hand menu. Select the time zone we created earlier and click Accept. It is also possible to apply a time zone to a door. This will then become a door unlock time zone, and the relay for this door will be activated between specified times, allowing for free access. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more assistance, please contact support@controlsoft.com.